Hey, what is up, guys? So my YouTube channel, which is a tiny YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, is now making $3,000 every 7 days. And I created an automation that actually helped me go from 1,000 to 3,000. Okay, and this is what I'm going to show you now. So what you can see here is a very, very cool automation. I just ran it, and I'm going to show you the result. But I just want you to understand kind of like how it works. So what I will do is I will go out and I will find a viral video that I think is very cool. So for example, this one here is a very cool video. And what I'm looking for is why people like it that much and what is the video about, okay? Because I'm not a videographer. I don't want to spend my time creating videos. And so I checked this video. I think it's pretty cool. And I want to recreate this video with one finger, with one click. And actually here I press the button, but normally it's completely automated and it just runs in the background, okay? So I find this video and I find one secret ingredient that I will then add to the video. And then I will basically just launch this, okay? And it just runs. So I just ran it for you guys and I'm gonna show you the results. It's absolutely phenomenal. But yeah, for now we can watch this video here. You can see this guy, there's a talking head here and then there's some stuff in the background. And I was like, how do these people do it? I am not a designer. I'm not a videographer. I want to be able to create content about stuff that is viral and that actually can make me money without all the hassle. Okay. Now, here's the update to my YouTube channel. You can see that I'll have like 917 subscribers. I'm not monetizing anything by YouTube, but I monetize myself by using the strategies that I'm basically going to let some of you guys in a secret. But I want you to see like the drastic change that I made. And, you know, like a few days ago, it culminated to, oh my God, you know, so this was, you know, my best day here. So anyway, drum roll. I basically pressed this button and it recreated the video, the whole of it. I don't have to be there. I don't have to say a word. I do not have to do anything technical. And guess what? This is the video in question. I'm going to remove the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound. I'm going to try and leave the sound just in case. But there we go. Check this out. Also, Clean just released a massive update to their All right. So basically, this is absolutely insane because this is not me. It's not me speaking, okay? It's done completely with the AI. The background music that's added there to add a little bit of flair, it's done completely automatically with AI. And this is also done completely with AI. I did not have to do anything. This automation that you see here did absolutely everything for me. And it just runs in the background. I can program it to run every morning at 8 a.m. And every morning at 8 a.m. I will have something like this. So what do you think you could do on your social media if you had something like this? Now, there's so many other things that you can do. So this is just one of them. And there is another really cool application that I just came up with and I've been using that has really helped me scale up my business. So my YouTube channel went from like doing absolutely nothing, zero money, zero nothing for years, right? So let me show you this. For years. This is like 2020? What was it? 2024. I can actually go back to lifetime. All right. So check this out. When did I start this YouTube? 2017. It did absolutely nothing. Okay. Nothing. I was making zero money. And then since then I was like, you know what? I came up with something. So at some point I looked into YouTube for a little while and I had a little bit of success, but then rules changed and I was using some hacks there, right? But then since I found my new strategy, guess what? Look at the stuff. And so I went from zero money on YouTube. I will say that I could track that will come in directly from YouTube to right now it's making $3,000 every single week. Okay. And again, I do not have 1 million subscribers. I only have like 917. So if you guys want to be able to do something like this, being able to have amazing content, like just like this that I show you here, right? Right? So if you want to have content just like this one here, and you don't actually have to create anything, you don't have to be there, you don't have to talk, you don't have to be on camera or anything like that, then I will have something for you guys. Okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to release this week, specifically only this week. And those of you guys who know me, you know I don't mess around. When I tell you it ends at the end of the week, it ends at the end of the week. So this week, I am going to give you access to this. It took me, and I want you guys to understand, you know, when people tell you, well, it took me years to figure things out and blah, 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 I am not kidding. This, you can see how long it took me. I have been on YouTube putting stuff there without any strategy, without anything. I can trace that back to 2017. So that's 8 years. This is 8 years worth of me trying stuff, of YouTube stuff that I'm giving you here, right? I am not exaggerating. You can see the numbers here, okay? And I went from 0 to now being able to make $3,000 every week on YouTube, and all of it automated, okay? So this is one thing that you can do, and there's another secret thing that you can do that will be waiting for you in the offer that I have, okay? So I do have an offer for you, okay? So get it. It's before the end of, it will end on Sunday. After Sunday, it's gone forever, okay? You guys know me, I don't mess around. And so what are you gonna get in there? So you're gonna get my strategy that took me from 0 to now being able to make $3,000 every single week without being monetized, without actually being on camera, without writing any scripts, without doing anything, without shooting anything. It's insane, okay? And it's a once in a lifetime opportunity that I have for you. So this is a pre-sale. So go here, get the product. Now, depending on how many people get it, if I have enough people who are interested and who actually get it, then I'm going to actually produce it. If I don't have enough people, then I'm going to refund you, okay? So there's no, so get it now, because then again, it leaves at the end of the week. And so you will be able to do the same thing as me, meaning you will be able to make money online with an automated system that creates content for you. And when I'm talking about content, I'm talking about YouTube videos. Videos is king, okay? If you know how to make videos, then you know how to capture people's attention, all right? So guys, that's pretty much it. It will end on Sunday. So today is Monday. So this Sunday, which is going to be, what's the date? Sunday 18. Sunday 18th. It ends there. And I don't mess around. There's a link. Go click it. I am going to give you the exact automation that I'm using here. So this automation there, I'm going to give that to you. I'm going to give you some other automations. I'm going to give you 2 more automations that do pretty much the same thing, but they do something so cool for your branding, for everything. It's absolutely amazing. And then you'll be able to replicate my success. Okay. All right. That is pretty much it. Thank you very much. And yeah, go get it. Again, it will end Sunday 18th. It's gone forever. And those of you guys are going to be in, you are going to be able to actually profit from YouTube. And so this is one channel. You can then, once you master it, guess what? You can do it on many channels. You can open a second channel. Okay? So anyway, that's pretty much it. I will see you inside the course. Bye.